Hello, if you want to take high resolution photos on Samsung Galaxy A16 5G, you can make sure that the following things are actually enabled. So first of all, you may want to switch to 50 megapixels camera. This one provides the most or the highest resolution possible while being in the photo mode. You can also take a look at the aspect ratio. You should use 3:4 aspect ratio because any other aspect ratio provides lower resolution. And just to show a case, I already have taken a simple photo with the 50 megapixels 3:4 aspect ratio. And if you open the information, you will see that the resolution is 6120 by 8160. So this is a pretty high resolution. It uses full 50 megapixels camera. So this is how we can take the highest resolution possible. Of course, while taking the photo, we need to take care of the light itself as well. I mean, the light conditions should be good enough as well to capture the best quality possible, to have the best quality of our photo. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!